ที่ครูกอนักชลมจงอุดน้องสันฮิมา
Kakanhun Menteri Jong Sorkar Jela haka jingelang ka bakila jong haka sauterik unai wing arajar arpo kalashim ya karai ban pendam no ya kajinga soi seskolar ni ka Memorandum of Agreement ka belaya soi bat ka SEW Energy Limited ban Shna ya ka dampen mi boarding ka belatip kum ka Rangmaw Hydel Power Project usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela uba Preston Tensong habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor ulaya thu bak Sorkar Jela kalashim ya karai pendam no ya kani ko seskolar ni ka Memorandum of Agreement kadai hadin baka company SEW Energy Limited kalapa ya kajing terwa sya ka Sorkar Jela bat penpau bana kaliang jong ka company ka syam jenjar ban sedang teino ya kani kadam.
Our next point was relating to the proposal brought in by Power Department, and this is relating to cancellation of Memorandum of Agreement signed between the government of Meghalaya and the company SEW Energy Limited for implementation of the 65 megawatt Rangmaw Hydel Power Project. And the company who already signed the MOU with the government of Meghalaya in the year 2010. Ultimately, they sent the proposal due to the unfeasibility of the proposed project development of Rangmaw Hydel project signed in 2010. The company requested the government to cancel the MOU signed due to the unfeasibility of the project. So the cabinet today, through Power Department, has agreed to cancel the MOU signed between the government and the company known as SEW Energy Limited. We'll again go afresh, EOI, and then let us see once the EOI process is completed, we will be able to tell you exactly how we are going to go on it.
Is there any penalty clause against this SEW Energy Limited for having failed to proceed ahead?
No. Of course, the clauses were there, but ultimately, as I see, because that time in 2010, government in hurriedly signed an agreement ultimately with the so-called that SEW company. But these company also, when they started their groundwork, they found out that this is not feasible at all. And even now the government, the present government, we have seen it, yes, it is not feasible. But you can't help it because MOU has been signed. So ultimately, we consider cancellation of the MOU. Then, as I said to you, fresh EOI will be floated from the state government. See, not feasible means not economically feasible. It's not economically feasible. Therefore, because these are all private investment. It's not the government investment at all. This has to be invested by the private company, purely by the private company.